Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 5.85 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is a computer CPU chip consists of 50 gram silicon. It means that mass of silicon is equal to 50 gram. 50 gram is equal to 50 divided by 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.05 kilogram. 20 gram copper and 50 gram polyvinyl chloride. So mass of copper is equal to 20 gram, which is equal to 20 divided by 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.02 kilogram. And mass of PVC polyvinyl chloride is equal to 50 gram is equal to 50 divided by 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.05 kg. It is now heat from 15 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade as the computer is turned on. So initial temperature T1 is equal to 15 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 15 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 288 Kelvin. And final temperature T2 is equal to 70 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 70 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 7 plus 7 14, and this is 343 Kelvin. And there are some constant value. Heat capacity per silicon is equal to 0.7 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Similarly, heat capacity per copper is equal to 0.385 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. And heat capacity per polyvinyl chloride is 1.3 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now required is to find the heat. How much energy did the heating required when temperature increases from 15 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade? So required is to find Q. So solution here is the heat or energy required for each material, three material there, for each material is calculated by Q is equal to mc del T or mc T2 minus T1. So it means that total heat or total energy is energy of silicon plus heat or energy of copper plus heat or energy of PVC polyvinyl chloride. So Q is equal to mass of silicon mc heat capacity of silicon into T2 minus T1 plus Q of copper mass of copper multiplied by heat capacity of copper into T2 minus T1 plus heat energy or heat of PVC mass of PVC multiplied by heat capacity of PVC into T2 minus T1. So Q is equal to T2 minus T1 is common in 3. So we can write this as MCI CCI plus mass of copper into heat capacity of copper plus mass of PVC into heat capacity of PVC into T2 minus T1. So Q is equal to mass of silicon given to us is 0.05 kilogram. Heat capacity of silicon is 0.7 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, plus mass of copper is 0.02 kilogram multiplied by heat capacity of copper is 0.385 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Mass of PVC 0.05 kilogram multiplied by heat capacity of PVC is 1.3 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin into T2 minus T1. T2 is 333 Kelvin minus 288 Kelvin. Further simplify this, so this kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. 0.05 multiplied by 0.7 is equal to 0.035 kilojoule per Kelvin plus 0.02 multiplied by 0.0385 is equal to 0.00770. Kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram, so unit will be kilojoule per Kelvin plus here kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. 0.05 multiplied by 1.3 is equal to 0.065 kilojoule per Kelvin into 343 minus 288 Kelvin is equal to 55 Kelvin. Now add these three values. Units are same, kilojoule per Kelvin. So the sum of these three values is 0.10770 kilojoule per Kelvin multiplied by 55 Kelvin. So Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin and Q is equal to 0.1077 multiplied by 55 is equal to 5.9235 kilojoule. This is the heat or energy absorbed by the system when the computer is on and its temperature increases from 15 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade. And in joule multiplied by 1000. So in joule this will be equal to 5923.5 joule. So this is the final answer. The energy did the heating required when temperature increases from 15 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade. And this is the end of the problem. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.